Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Crochet fashion area. I hope you all guys will be fine. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet Christmas earring designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet Christmas earring designs collection. These all collection are very useful in winter. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet Christmas earring designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet Christmas earring designs collection. You can see the beauty. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design, new ideas, crochet Christmas earring designs collection, beautiful different color combination, Christmas crochet earring designs collection, different color Christmas crochet all designs collection, all design Christmas crochet very beautiful. White color earring design so stylish. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.